Apple's latest addition to the iPhone lineup, the iPhone 16e, is here. It offers a more affordable alternative to the standard iPhone 16 models while still packing solid features with a powerful 18 chip, a 48 megapixel camera, and a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. It seems like a great option, but one noticeable omission has people talking. MagSafe is missing. For some users, this might not be a deal breaker, but for others, it's a big loss. MagSafe was first introduced with the iPhone 12 series and quickly became a favorite among Apple users. It made wireless charging easier by snapping the charger onto the back of the phone. It also allowed users to attach accessories like wallets, battery packs, and car mounts without extra clips or adhesives. If you've invested in MagSafe accessories over the years, you might be disappointed to find that the iPhone 16e won't support them. So why did Apple decide to remove MagSafe from this model? The most likely reason is cost. The iPhone 16e is designed to be the most budget-friendly model in the iPhone 16 lineup, starting at $599. By cutting MagSafe, Apple likely reduced production costs to keep the price lower. But was it the right decision? For some, MagSafe is just a minor convenience. They might not mind using standard wireless charging, which the iPhone 16e still supports at 15 watts. However, without MagSafe's magnetic attachment, charging won't be as seamless and accessories won't snap into place. There is a potential workaround, third-party cases that include built-in MagSafe rings. These cases can help some MagSafe accessories function, but they won't provide the same experience as having MagSafe built directly into the phone. Despite the absence of MagSafe, the iPhone 16e still delivers solid features. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display ensures vibrant colors and sharp details, making it great for watching videos and browsing. The 18 chip provides smooth performance, handling multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps with ease. The 48 megapixel main camera, combined with a 2x telephoto lens, allows users to capture high-quality images with more detail and better zoom. Apple Intelligence also enhances software and AI-powered features, improving user experience. Storage options are flexible, with 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes models available. However, those who prefer more storage may find the lack of a 1 terabyte option limiting. Another thing to consider is the color selection. Unlike other iPhone models that come in a variety of shades, the iPhone 16e is only available in black and white. While color may not be a priority for everyone, some users prefer having more choices when picking a phone. So is the iPhone 16e worth it? That depends on what you need in a phone. If MagSafe has been a key part of your iPhone experience and you rely on its accessories, this model might feel like a downgrade. But if you're looking for a more affordable iPhone that still offers strong performance, a high-quality display, and a capable camera, the 16e could be a good choice. What's your take on Apple's decision to remove MagSafe? Would you still consider buying the iPhone 16e, or is this a deal breaker for you? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Apple might be making a surprising change with the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's raising a lot of questions. A new rumor suggests that instead of keeping the premium titanium frame introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro, Apple might switch to aluminum. That's an unusual move, considering how much Apple emphasized titanium as a selling point. So why would they do this? For years, Apple has made sure its Pro models stand out not just with features, but also with materials. The iPhone 14 Pro used stainless steel, and the iPhone 15 Pro introduced titanium, making the phone both lighter and more durable. But now, reports claim that Apple may use aluminum for the entire iPhone 17 lineup, including the standard and Pro models. Interestingly, the rumored ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air could be the only model to keep a titanium frame. This information comes from analyst Jeff Poo, who suggests that Apple may be making the shift for environmental reasons. Aluminum has a lower carbon footprint compared to titanium, and Apple has been working toward reducing its environmental impact. The company has already launched carbon-neutral Apple Watch models and made other products, like the Mac Mini, more sustainable. Switching to aluminum could be another step in its goal to become carbon neutral by 2030. From an environmental perspective, this move seems like a positive step, but from a technical standpoint, aluminum is not as strong as titanium or even stainless steel. Tensile strength, which measures how much stress a material can handle before breaking, clearly favors titanium. It's nearly 3 times stronger than aluminum. Stainless steel is also stronger than aluminum, making this change feel like a downgrade. Additionally, aluminum is more prone to scratches, while titanium is highly resistant to both scratches and corrosion. Aside from durability, materials also play a role in how a device feels. Both titanium and stainless steel offer a premium look and weight, which is why they've been used in high-end smartphones. If Apple does switch back to aluminum, it raises concerns about whether the iPhone 17 Pro will still feel as premium as its predecessors. The iPhone 15 Pro was heavily marketed around titanium, with Apple highlighting how it made the phone lighter and more durable. Reversing that decision just a couple of years later might feel like Apple is undoing its own innovation. But will the average consumer actually notice the difference? For many people, probably not. Apple has a way of presenting changes in a positive light, so it's possible the company will find a way to make this seem like an upgrade. But for those who pay close attention to build quality and materials, this could be a letdown. There's also the question of competition. If Apple moves to aluminum, the iPhone 17 Pro will have to compete with Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is expected to keep its titanium frame. On the other hand, Google's Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to continue using aluminum, meaning Apple wouldn't be alone in this choice. However, losing the premium appeal of titanium could make the iPhone 17 Pro less attractive to some buyers, especially those who value premium materials in flagship smartphones. The exception in the lineup might be the iPhone 17 Air. This model is rumored to be ultra-thin, possibly around 5.5 millimeters, which could justify using titanium for added durability. Some reports even suggest that Apple might use a combination of aluminum and titanium, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro, with a reduced amount of titanium. So what's Apple's real reason behind this possible change? Is it truly about sustainability, or could it be a cost-cutting measure framed as an eco-friendly decision? It's hard to say for sure, but if this rumor turns out to be true, it will be interesting to see how Apple presents it. Will they focus on the environmental impact, or will they try to convince users that aluminum is a better choice? What do you think? Would switching to aluminum be a step back, or does it make sense for Apple's future plans? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this discussion helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is generating a lot of buzz, and the latest leaks suggest it could bring one of the biggest improvements we've seen in foldable phones. Samsung has spent years refining its foldable display technology, and now there's strong evidence that they may have finally made a major breakthrough in reducing the crease that appears on the screen when the device is unfolded. Anyone who has used a foldable phone knows that the crease in the middle of the display has been one of the biggest complaints. While last year's Galaxy Z Flip 6 showed some improvement, the crease was still noticeable, especially under bright light. However, if the latest reports are accurate, the Flip 7 could be the closest we've ever come to a seamless foldable display. This information comes from a well-known source who claims Samsung has made significant advancements in hinge technology. While it's unlikely the crease will disappear entirely, it is expected to be far less visible, which could make a big difference in everyday use. A smoother display would improve the experience when scrolling, watching videos, or playing games, making the device feel more premium. Beyond the crease reduction, there are rumors that Samsung could introduce ProScaler technology, which was first seen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature enhances display quality in real time, making visuals sharper and more vibrant. If this makes its way to the Flip 7, it could deliver one of the best-looking screens ever seen on a foldable phone. Additionally, Samsung may introduce a new flexible glass material to improve durability. Foldable screens have traditionally been more fragile than regular smartphone displays, so a stronger material could reduce the risk of scratches and cracks, giving users more confidence in daily use. However, aside from these display improvements, other upgrades may be more subtle. The overall design is expected to remain similar, with only minor refinements to make the device thinner and lighter. Camera upgrades might also be limited, which could be a